I'm Heath Finner, and I'm here to show you how to install our side covers on Harley-Davidson Touring models. The first step's going to be removing the bag so that we can access our side cover. With the last bung being behind the bag, you have to clear it by pulling your bags off. This has to be the simplest install in the whole carbon fiber lines. Again, no tools are needed. Everything just pops into place. So you just pull everything off by hand. Everything's located with these bungs that just snap right into these rubber grommets. So it's as simple as just pulling them off and replacing them. We use an ABS injection molded inner that's bonded in place, locating all the bungs back in the factory location. Again, this is the easiest install of all the carbon parts that are offered through Saddlemen. Again, no tools needed. All the stock locations are in place. Stock grommets that your bike will already have. So you simply just align it and push it into place. And it'll have a snug fit just like stock. After you snap the side cover in, you're simply going to reattach your bag by resting it on the bag rail and then tightening your hardware into place. Like all of Saddlemen's performance carbon fiber, it's all made here in Long Beach, California. For any more information, go to saddlemen.com.